One of my favorite questions in real estate is, how do I buy a home while selling my current one? How does that work? That, as an agent, for me, is one of my favorite questions and one of the most fun things that, as a professional realtor, we get to do. And we actually just did one like this literally yesterday. So there's basically three main options for you. Number one, which is the most popular, is what's called buying with a home sale contingency. That means I'm going to buy your home, Mr. and Mrs. Seller, once my home sells. And the thing is that if your home doesn't sell, there's no loss. You don't lose any money. It's just a little bit of time. And one thing that your agent can do to sweeten the deal would be to tell that the listing agent on the home you're buying that it's priced to sell fast. Option number two, finance with a bridge loan. Now, a bridge loan is a high interest, short-term loan that uses the equity in your existing home as collateral for the home that you're buying. Right? So in other words, you don't have to do the in-home contingency because sometimes sellers don't like those. You're just using your equity to get a loan short-term to buy the next home. And if you can structure this one properly, you can close on your new home very close to when you sell your existing home. You just got to time that right. However, negatives to that, it's just high interest. So you're paying to borrow somebody else's money is the bottom line. Option number three is to use a service to help you make a competitive cash offer. Companies like Homeward and Knock are revolutionizing the way people buy and sell at the same time by offering home loan products that allow you to make a competitive cash offer on your dream home and then help you sell your existing home. And that way you can avoid paying two mortgages simultaneously. Now, I know from experience here in Louisiana, they're not available yet. So check your local availability in your state, but I guarantee you before too long, those companies and others probably will be available in all 50 states. It's a really cool option and a really cool product, and it can avoid some of that headache and stress that comes along with, I gotta buy this other one, I gotta sell this other one, I gotta pack everything up and everything's gotta close in the same day. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if this video was of value to you, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to stay up to date with more current real estate content that gives you value, by all means, please subscribe. Thanks for tuning in.
Hello, my name is Blake DeBott. I'm with Magnolia Home and Auto. Living in the Gulf South means we must always be prepared for the possibility of a hurricane arriving with little warning. To ensure you're ready in case a storm heads our way, here are a few essential tasks to be handled beforehand. Number 1. Review your insurance policy. Double check that your policy is active and hasn't been canceled. Sometimes cancellation notices can get lost, leaving you without coverage. Confirm that your policy is in place and has been paid. Take the time to understand your coverages and deductibles and don't hesitate to discuss any uncertainties with your agent. Number 2. Gather important documents. If you have flood or homeowner's insurance, make sure you have copies of the policy's declaration page. Be sure to take these documents with you if you have to evacuate. Number 3. Keep contact information handy. Obtain direct contact numbers for your insurance carrier so you can file a claim if necessary. During a storm, power outages may make it difficult to reach your agent, so having the carrier's contact information on hand will help you start the claims process promptly. Number 4. Document your belongings. Prior to a hurricane's arrival, take video and photos of your home and its contents. This documentation should include all interior furniture, electronics, clothing, and other valuables. Don't forget to capture the entire exterior of your home, including the roof's condition, as well as any detached structures. By completing these tasks in advance, you can better protect yourself and your property in case of a storm. Being prepared ensures a smoother claims process and gives you peace of mind during uncertain times. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out via phone or email, and stay safe.